Okay, so now with the second part of this video, we are looking at the resemblance between the clockwise rotation and the anti-clockwise rotation. Now we are assuming that this is our starting point. Let's say, so this is our starting point. Let's say there is a human here who is going to walk about. Now, when he takes the first step into this quadrant, understand that he is moving in the clockwise manner. Because with the clockwise, it simply means, look at how the clock moves. So the clock moves in this direction. So now every quadrant here is 90 degrees. So when he moves from this point to this point, now this is the 90 degrees clockwise. Now, the same person wants to come here. Now he moves in the anti-clockwise direction. So here, first of all, this is 90 degrees anti-clockwise. He comes here 180. Then in the third quadrant, it becomes 270. Now, so you get to see that the 90 degrees clockwise and the 270 degrees anti-clockwise are the same. So in this manner is the clockwise. In that manner is the anti-clockwise. And they are all meeting at the same point. Okay, let's take another example. The same person wants to come here. So let's see, he's moving in a clockwise manner. So from this end, to this quadrant, he has covered 90 degrees. He comes here, he has covered 180 degrees clockwise. He's over here, he wants to move in the anti-clockwise direction. He moves to this quadrant, which is 90 degrees, then to this quadrant, which is 180 degrees anti. So this means that for 180 degrees clockwise, it is the same as 180 degrees anti-clockwise, because you always find these two in one quadrant. Now let's come here. He is moving in the clockwise direction. 90 degrees here, 180. But when he comes here, it becomes 270 degrees clock. That is clockwise. Now, he wants to move in the anti-clockwise manner. He moves from this quadrant to this quadrant, which is 90 degrees, but in the anti-clockwise direction. So now, this means that our 90 degrees clockwise is the same as 270 degrees anti-clockwise, because you find them in the same quadrant. Our 180 degrees clockwise is the same as 180 degrees anti-clockwise, because they are in the same quadrant. Then our 270 degrees clockwise is the same as 90 degrees anti-clockwise, because they are in the same quadrant. So this is the similarity between them. So now we will develop how to obtain the formulas when it comes to rotating in the anti-clockwise manner and the clockwise manner.